Bar Under the Stairs, a channel where we teach you how to bartend at home. And today we're going to be making margaritas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really nice balanced margarita that'll go good with any food at any time of the day. Sometimes people do frozen margaritas, and that kind of numbs the taste buds to the flavors of the drink. If you use salt on the rim, it can numb your tongue to other flavors. I'm going to get my jigger and I'm going to measure out some orange liqueur. We like to use Dry Curacao in our house. And we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce. Do an ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. And if you like your margaritas a little bit sweeter, add more than 1/4 of an ounce, but I'm just going to add 1/4. And if you like it without any sweetness, don't add any. It's completely your preference. Then we're going to do 2 ounces of Cazadores Reposado Tequila. Alright. A pinch of salt. That'll give you all the salty flavor you need in your margarita. Then we're going to do a bit of ice. Go ahead and shake that up. We're going to take our filled glass of ice and our shaken cocktail. Go ahead and pour it over your ice. Alright. Now for a zest or a garnish, you can use a lime. Honestly, it's just fine as it is. Super well balanced, tart, sweet, bright. This is as good as a margarita can get. Thank you for watching Bar Under the Stairs. I'm Sammy. Like, comment, subscribe, and let us know if you try this margarita at home and how it worked out.